Want to work from home in 2025, but not spend years retraining or chasing complicated certifications? Today, I'll show you 3 of the easiest remote jobs you can start this year, jobs that don't need decades of experience and can help you start earning sooner rather than later. Stay to the end, because I'll also share traps you must avoid so you don't waste time on the wrong gigs. 1. Virtual or remote customer service representative. You'll help customers through chat, email, or calls right from your home. This job is one of the easiest because thousands of companies now hire beginners for remote customer support. You just need reliable internet, a decent computer, good communication skills, and a quiet workspace. Training is usually provided. The pay starts modestly, but grows with experience. According to Indeed, many entry-level roles like data entry and call center work are remote, making this a great first step if you're starting out. 2. Online ESL English tutor or teacher. With global connectivity, English tutors are in high demand. Many platforms hire people from anywhere, including Nigeria. You don't always need a full teaching degree. Fluency and consistency often matter more. You already know English, all you need is confidence, a webcam, and basic lesson structure. Choose a platform, set up your profile, decide your hours, and start small. As students and reviews grow, so does your pay. Tutoring is one of the fastest growing remote job types of 2025, especially for those who love mentoring others. 3. Data entry admin support content moderation. Data entry, admin support, and moderation jobs are remote friendly and beginner accessible. You might compile data, verify information, or moderate online spaces. These roles don't need heavy qualifications, just basic spreadsheet knowledge, accuracy, and reliability. Job boards list plenty of such openings worldwide. While the pay may not equal specialized tech roles, it's one of the quickest ways to gain remote experience and earn from home. Traps to avoid wasting time on wrong remote gigs. Here's the number 1 trap: chasing too good to be true gigs and unpaid trials. If a job asks for upfront payment, paid training, or long unpaid tests, walk away. Avoid platforms demanding referral fees or gateway purchases. Focus on legitimate listings with verified reviews, clear pay terms, and no hidden costs. Protect your time. Treat your first month as a test run. Apply selectively, note real responses, and quit anything that wastes hours without pay. How to choose and succeed. 1. Check legitimacy. Many listings are real, but scams exist. Research every company before applying. 2. Set up your workspace. Strong internet, a quiet environment, and a headset improve productivity. 3. Build skills and reputation. Even easy roles require consistency. Deliver good results, communicate well, and build reliability. It leads to better pay and freedom. If you're ready to start, pick one of these 3 jobs. Set a timeline. Say, I'll apply to 5 roles this week, and commit. In the comments below, tell me which job you'll try first. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next upload on remote work and side hustles in 2025. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.